Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In this video, I'll be teaching you an amazing magic trick of how to make a coin appear from thin air. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, you can see I have an empty hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close my hand just like this and rub it for a few moments, and you can see a coin magically appears. So let's see how you can do this trick. Okay friends, so this is how you're going to do this trick. First of all, you're going to take a coin just like this and you're going to place it right over here on the inside area of your palm and the inside edge of your thumb, just like this, and you're going to grab it a little bit tightly just like this. Now if you actually turn your hand just like this, you can see that the coin cannot be seen because it is palmed between these two edges, and as it is pumped between these two edges, if you are actually turning your hand this side, the coin cannot be seen because of your thumb. The thumb is actually in front of your coin. So make sure that you don't turn your hand too much like this or too much like this, because it is going to flash the coin, and also not this side too. So what you're going to do right now as you are in this position is you're going to close your hand just like this very fast, and as you do that, at the same moment you are actually dropping this coin from this part into this hand just like this, and the two actions of closing your hand and dropping the coin happen simultaneously and very fast, like in the blink of an eye. So when you're actually performing it in real time, it would just look like this. And you can also give it a shake just like this if you're afraid that the spectator is going to see that the coin is actually falling from over here into this palm before even you have closed your hand. So for that reason, you can also give your hand a little bit shake just like this, and as you give it a shake, you're going to just close your hand and drop the coin from over this part inside your hand. And after that, as your hand is closed, your spectators are going to think that the hand is still empty, and you're going to do some magical gestures and open up your fingers, showing that a coin has actually magically appeared. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing appearing coin magic trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Swell_Hazari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.